Jess Varela said that we need to make a YouTube channel. All right, so what do you got here? You got the green chili, the white onions, and then here you have cream of mushroom. Just one can or two?
A can of cream of mushroom and a can of cream of chicken.
Oh, one mushroom, one chicken. Okay, and the best way is to have your chicken not from a can, although you can do that. What happened to my... There we go. Here's some more ingredients. You get the cheese, the chicken, and that's leg quarters or something like that that is boiled and then hand pulled. And then you can't forget the corn tortillas, right, Mom? And how do you make the corn tortillas? You put them on the...
Fry them in a little bit of
You fry them in olive oil? Okay, yeah. Olive oil. She put the chili inside of the soup.
I'm going to put the chicken now.
And the chicken. Let me get it for you.
Put a little bit of garlic powder.
Just going to put the garlic powder. Here's some chicken, Mom. Uh-oh, say it again.
Cut the chicken in little pieces.
Oh, she's going to cut the chicken in little pieces. Like that much?
Yeah, pero...
And this knife? Or a better knife? Bigger?
Mira, aquí tengo la cebolla.
Uh-huh. Yes. All right. You cut the chicken in little pieces. New Mexico, homemade, authentic green chili chicken enchiladas. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it to say space. Oh, delicious. All right. Ahí está. And then we'll just mix her up. Just mix her up.
Stir it, mix it around. It's mucha gallina, ¿no?
A lot of chicken, but it's good chicken.
I love gallina como para two more.
Two more casseroles? Enchiladas, whatever. All right, so on this, what do? Do you heat it? Do you, do I should turn on the stove? I mean, do I turn on the oven? I mean, the stove top? No.
Déjame, I'm going to fry the tortillas.
Oh, okay. Now you fried the tortillas. Oh, now you're going to melt it? Do you put it here? What's that? The first layer is the corn?
Tortilla.
I thought it was going to be hot for sure. Just like that?
Yeah.
It didn't even cook, did it?
No,
It barely didn't even hardly cook.
Para que no se haga dura, no, para que se ablande poco. Se hace soak mucho el olive oil.
Right in the middle. Just enough to make them soft and so you don't cook them like duro.
Unless you're going to make them para hacer tostadas, las haces crispy.
I'm gonna get it. Should I do another couple?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a little bit of onion in between each layer.
Yeah.
That's why it's so good. Oh, and the cheese. That's something you can't forget. Aha, I got it. So this is now the second layer. So the first layer, then you put the mixture, cheese, onion, and then another layer of tortilla, more cheese and onion, right?
More cheese, but Eva,
Yeah.
dice además.
Pretty. And you just put a little bit of onion on the top, and then what, you bake it now?
More cheese.
And then you bake it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you put it in the oven or microwave?
Microwave.
But you can do both.
Almost 2 minutes, 3 minutes. O más, si quiere, you know.
Maybe 3 or 4 or 5 minutes in the microwave, or you can put it in the oven until you see the
1 hour.
well, or until maybe you see the cheese toasted.